Let's play hide and seek with our ABCs. A is for apple. B is for bear. C is for car. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for guitar. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for Jack in the Box. K is for kite. L is for lion. Rah, rah. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for piggy. Q is for quilt. R is for robot. S is for sun. T is for train. Choo-choo. U is for umbrella. V is for van. Vroom, vroom. W is for wagon. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Yay! You found all the letters!